Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer notifications in Slack from Jira to channels, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer notifications in Slack from Jira to specific channels, begin by ensuring you have the necessary permissions in both Slack and Jira. Log into your Jira account and navigate to the project for which you want to set up notifications. Click on the Project Settings option found in the sidebar. Select webhooks from the available settings. Click on the Create a Webhook button. Name your webhook for easy identification later. In the URL field, enter the Slack incoming webhook URL, which you should have previously created in Slack. In the Events section, select the Jira events for which you want to send. You can choose different events like issue created, issue updated, or comment added. Once you've selected the events, click the Create button to save your webhook. Now, switch to your Slack account and navigate to the channel where you want to receive the notifications. Go to the Apps section by clicking on the plus icon next to the channel name. Search for and select Incoming Webhooks. Choose the option to add a new webhook to your workspace. Select the desired channel from the drop-down menu where the notifications will be sent. Click on Add Incoming Webhooks Integration. Copy the provided webhook URL for later use. Return to your Jira instance and paste the Slack incoming webhook URL into the Jira webhook URL field. Confirm the configuration by clicking Save or Create. Test the webhook by creating a Jira issue or updating in. You may need to adjust notification settings in both Jira and Slack to ensure you receive the updates you want. If necessary, revisit your Jira project settings and modify event selections or configure filters. Keep checking both platforms to ensure the notifications are functioning correctly. That's how you can transfer notifications in Slack from Jira to channels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.